Hey everybody, we've got some brand new Disney Cars toys. And I just found these at Toys R Us. And they're the new mini racers. Look at this. And they're from Cars 3. And they're metal vehicles. And we've got Cruz Ramirez and Jackson Storm. And look at this. Here's RV and Dr. Damage. And a first look at Rusty's Lightning McQueen, the mini racer. I cannot wait to get these all out of the box. But that's not even the most exciting thing we have today. Let's set this back here. We have the Colossus Extra Extra Large. And he has a bunch of micro racers. Whoa, do you know he can eat them? I cannot wait to show you Colossus Extra Extra Large eating Mater. Whoa, super cool. But we have one more thing. Look at this. It's Banshee. Whoa. Rah. He is crazy looking. And we found him at a thrift store. Look at this crazy guy. He's got a scoop back here, and he eats mini vehicles. So we're gonna see if he can eat these race cars. And they go in right here. And let's turn him on. Let's see what he does. His eyes light up and he makes all sorts of funny sounds while he's trying to eat. Try it one more time. Very cool. I cannot wait to see if he'll eat our new vehicles. They come back here. Very cool. These vehicles are so awesome, and I am so excited to share them with you. But before we have any more fun, we've got to get these mini racers out. So let's start getting them out of the box. First one is Ramon. And these are metal cars, so they're kind of heavy. And he's got flames. And vroom. They're just like diecast cars, but they're mini racers. Vroom. Don't be afraid of Banshee. He's not hungry yet. Here's mini racer Mater. Very cool. He's got yellow and brown tires. And there is Mater. Who is this guy? Oh, it's Tim Treadless from Nitroaid. Race car number 28. I love that metallic paint. And, Danny Swervez. Hey, my name's Danny, bro. He is a fast race car. And they're metallic. Super neat. Here's RV. Are you ready to get eaten? He's used to Miss Fritter. Banshee doesn't scare him at all. And Dr. Damage. You're gonna get eaten by the Banshee. Let's see, who else do we have? Jackson Storm 2.0. Woohoo! Love the paint job. And Cruz Ramirez, part of Team 95. And we've got two more. It's Sarge. Very nice. And Lightning McQueen. Metallic. Rusties. Very cool. So we've got all 10 of our vehicles here. Who wants to get eaten first?
McQueen.
McQueen? No! Mater's always getting you into trouble. No! He just got eaten. Where did he go? Is he back here? He is! That is amazing! Let's do it again! It's Jackson Storm, Mater, and Lightning McQueen! Here he comes! Ah! Oh, he's gonna eat you! Mater, run for it! Uh-oh, he's gotta go back and get Lightning McQueen! No! Whoa, this guy's hungry. Let's see if he ate them all. Inside, we've got Jackson Storm, Mater, and, uh-oh, give him to me. Ah, give me my hand back. He's trying to eat him. Ah, there we go. Lightning McQueen. Now, let's eat some more. How many can he eat? Let's see. Let's lay them all out. We've got RV, Dr. Damage, and Jackson Storm. Here's Ramon. We're hungry. Let's start eating. Roar! Ah! Cruz Ramirez, Mater, run! Ah! Uh-oh, Danny, he's gonna get you. You better run. Ah! Ramon, look out! Here comes the Banshee. Uh-oh, Ramon got eaten. Cruz Ramirez, run! Ah! This is one hungry Banshee. Let's let everybody out. There they are. Thank you, Banshee, for giving us our cars back. But I also promised to show you extra, extra large Colossus. And he's got micro racers. There we go. We've got all sorts of fun micro racers. Extra, extra large is gonna eat Sally. And he rolls over them, just like this. And then they pop into his back. Let me show you. Let's take Ramon, put him right here. And we're gonna roll over him and keep rolling. And there he is. He popped right through there. Who should get eaten next? How about Doc Hudson? There he is. It's Doc. Colossus ate you. Here's Lightning McQueen. Ah, Mater! And Lightning McQueen made it in. So here is our Colossus extra, extra large. Who else do we have? Another Lightning McQueen. Here's Mater. And he ate Mater. Where is he? There he is. There's Mater. But oh no, Mater made a loud noise. Ah! He tipped Colossus extra, extra large. And now they all get to escape. Woo! Very cool. But uh-oh, he's angry. He's gonna eat Fillmore. He got Fillmore. Let's release him. Wing! Very cool. Alright, you guys, we have had so much fun with these toys. Let me know down in the comments, which one is your favorite? Is it Banshee or is it Colossus Extra Extra Large? Let me know. Do you like this one or this one better? Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy. Talk to you later.